Alright, let's continue from where we stopped on the long division method. The question said, using the long division method, divide 4 by 7. That is what it's saying is that we should use the long division method to do 4 divided by 7. Right? Now we talked about this. We're going to be taking it step by step. Right, so first of all, we open our long division board like this. Yep. And we say the 7, this number 7, will find itself here, and then the 4 come here. Right, 4 come here. Alright, so the first thing we do is to put our template 7 out. Right, as I said, we should put our template 7 out. 7 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then put our 4 here like this. 1 2 3 4. At this point you could see that 7 cannot divide 4. Right, so what do? We put a 0 point here. I said it, put a 0 point and then put a 0 here. Now you have 40. Right, so we're going to count, instead of counting 4, we're going to count 40. That's 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. Right, I said looking at these remainder values, we don't consider it, to just try and stroke them off. We don't consider them. So let's divide it. Let's look at 7 divided by 40. Oh, sorry, 40 divided by 7. That becomes 1 2 3 4 5. So if 40 is divided by 7, it's going to give us what? 5. Next, we're going to say 5 times 7. Right? 5 times 7. So what does 5 times 7 mean? The word 5 times 7. It means, either means we should count 5 7 times, or we count 7 5 times. And if we do that, we're going to get 35. Right? So 5 times 7 gives us what? 35 here. Alright? And then we rule a line, and then we subtract. 40 minus 35 will give us what? It's going to give us 5. If you use your calculator or your number hand method, it's going to give us 5. At this point, you discover that we're done with this part. We're not using this part again. We're taking our eyes off this one. We concluded this. Now we're in the next one. So we're going to say 7 divides 5. That is, the 7 as our template, we're going to write 5. Right? So let me clean this one off. Now at this point, we're going to put 5 in. So this is our 5. We're going to write it in as 1 2 3 4 5. You see, it's not complete, right? So we cannot divide. What do? Because we have 0 point here, because there is a 0 point here, what do? We're going to put a 0 here to make it 50. Right? So we have 5. With this, we're just going to complete it as 50. So this is 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Right, if you watch, this one is our remainder. We don't consider it. Right, so we'll start stroking from here. Let's stroke them off. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we divided, we got 7. So 50 divided by 7 is what? A 7. What next? We're going to say 7 times 7. Right? What does that mean? It means 7 times 7 give us what? 49. Just count everything here without the remainder. That's 7 times 7. Right? It's going to give us 49. If you try it, you'll see it's give us 49. So I'm going to put my 49 here and then subtract. 50 minus 49 is what? Is 1. Watch, we are done with this one. We don't need this one anymore. Now we are looking at this, right? What are we going to do next? We're going to go back to our template again. This is our template. We'll go back to our former template, and then what do we put? Our 7 is already our template. We'll put 1. You see that it will not go, right? 1 is not feasible. So what do we do? Because we have a 0 point here, right? We're going to what? We're going to add a 0 here, 10. So let's complete it. 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now we have one that is complete, so don't consider this guy again, right? Next, we just stroke it off. We only have 1, right? So 10 divided by 7 is 1. I'm going to put our 1 here. Beautiful. It can only go one time. So what next? 1 times 7 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 7. Stroke it off and subtract. If we subtract, what do we have? We have 3. Right? It means we don't need this guy anymore. Right? We are now here. Now that we are here, what happens? I'm going to take this ones off. We're done with that one. What do we put? We'll put 3 out. 1, 2, 3. But it's not up to, right? Since I have a 0 point here, since there's a 0 point here, right? I have my 0 point here. What do I do? Sorry. Since I have my 0 point here, what do? I put a 0 here. So instead of 3, I'll complete it to 30. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So at this point, you don't consider these 2, like we said, leave them, those ones off, and then we'll count the rest. We have 1, 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So 30 divided by 7 give us what? A 4. At this point, we do 4 times 7. We have to do 4 times 7. You see that is what? 28. So I'm going to put 28 here, right? And I'm going to rule my line. Right, and if I subtract them, I'm going to get a 2, right? It means I no longer need this one. And they will continue from here again. And if you see, this is it's going to be, that's how we call it a long division method. It's a long process, and we can continue this all along. I'm just showing you the steps to follow on doing this. At this point, we can continue with this, but we can conclusively say that 4 divided by 7 is going to give us what? 0.5714, so on and so forth. There are a lot of numbers here, but we can stop here. For the want of this, you could want to you may want to continue the exercise to get the complete value. But what I'm saying is, just understand the sequence, right? Understand the sequence of what we did. So let's just bring everything to a close. What did we do actually for all that we have been doing? What did we actually do? What we do? So here's what we did. The first step was to what? Put our template number, which was 7, the one outside, which is 7. This 7 will always be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will always be here. And then try and fill in the number inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not up to the 7. Then what we do, first of all, put our 0 point. We use a red pen. We'll use a red pen for that. First of all, put our 0 point, and then what do? Put a 0 here, and then we complete this as our 4. What do we do? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, right? So we complete this one. That's the step 1, the first step, right? We'll have stuff like this. It's the first step to complete them. So what do? We don't consider this one, like we said. This one is not to be considered. Then we count these guys out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We fix our 5 here, right? And then use this 5 to multiply 7, right? So that's 5 times 7, which gives us 35. That 35 comes here. We have it here, right? Subtract. We have 5. And then what will happen? We don't consider these guys again. We take these guys off, we don't consider them again. All right, that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at this. Then you go back to your template again, clean all of these guys off, go back to your template, right? And then remain this. Since we have 5 here, we count the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not up to the 7. Then what do we do? Since there's a 0 point here, put your 50 here. And if you do that, you count this to up to 50. Count this up to 50. And if you do that, you divide. Remove the number you divide, you're going to get what? You're going to get a 7, right? And then when you have the 7 there, use the 7 to multiply this again. So we have 7 times 7, that gives us 49. That 49 comes here, right? Subtract. What you have is 1. At that point, we don't need this guy again. Then what do? You take off all of this guy again, and then what do? You fix in your 1, right? You put in your 1 here, your 1. But it's not up to. We have a 0 point here. You put 0 here, complete it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't consider this guy. It's not what we're considering. We only have this one that completed as 1. What do we have there? If 10 divided by 7, we have a 1. And then 1 times 7. So we'll come here and put our 1 times 7, which gives us what? Gives us a 7. Put the 7 here. Then rule your line, and then you subtract. See, at this point, you don't consider this guy. This gives us 3. And then you continue so on and so on and so on. You are going to get your accurate answer. Right? So I hope this is very simple enough for you to try. I hope I have explained it to a point that you could easily understand that. Right? So let me give you something to try before I come in today. Right? I'll be around today by 5 p.m. Before I come, guys, please help me try this as your assignment. For your assignment, please, you're going to try 3 divide by 7. I want you to also try 2 divide by 9, right? And also try 1 divide by 4. Finally, you're going to try 3 divide by 5 for me. So all of this, you're going to use long division method. Right, so you can use long division method. You try all of this out and leave your answer on the comment section. Yeah, leave the answer here in the comment section. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yep, subscribe to the channel, and then leave your answer on the comment section. Until then, I'll see you again next time. Make sure you do this today. I will come and mark them, right? I'll mark them up and leave your answer on the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.